Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will provide you with 5 easy steps to learn how to speak English fluently. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your existing skills, this video is for you. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Put yourself out there and speak. Putting yourself out there is key to learning how to speak English fluently. The first step to becoming fluent in English is to practice speaking it as much as possible. Confidence plays a crucial role in language learning. So don't be afraid to communicate with others in English. Start by engaging in conversations, joining language exchange programs, or finding native English speakers to talk with. Step 2. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Overcoming your comfort zone is essential for mastering English. Learning a language requires pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid of making mistakes or feeling uncertain. Embrace the discomfort of challenging situations, such as speaking in public or attending English speaking events. Remember, practice makes perfect. Step 3. Use speed reading. Improve your reading skills to enhance your overall English proficiency. Speed reading is a fantastic technique to rapidly improve your English language skills. Start by selecting texts that interest you and gradually increase your reading speed. Train your brain to process information quickly while maintaining comprehension. Speed reading will enhance your vocabulary, grammar, and overall understanding of English texts. Step 4. Use songs, books, newspapers. Utilize various resources to develop your English fluency. Make learning English fun and enjoyable by incorporating songs, books, and newspapers in your routine. Music helps improve pronunciation and rhythm, while books and newspapers offer a wide range of vocabulary and grammatical structures. Explore different genres and topics to make your learning experience diverse and engaging. Step 5. Learn English in pieces. Break down the language into manageable parts for efficient learning. Learning a language can be overwhelming, so it's important to break it down into manageable pieces. Focus on specific topics, such as greetings, common phrases, or specific vocabulary related to your interests or profession. Dividing the language into smaller chunks will make it easier to grasp and retain the information. Congratulations! You have now learned the 5 easy steps to speak English fluently. Remember, practice and consistency are key to success. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.